So many smartwatches these days push functionality at the cost of aesthetics, so it's pretty rare to find a Wear OS device that's genuinely good looking. The new Skagen Falster 2 unveiled at IFA 2018 in Berlin this week is one of the exceptions. This is a smartwatch that you'll actually want to wear. The design has been further refined from the original Falster smartwatch, with slightly trimmed bezels that make it reminiscent of the fan favourite Moto 360. It's also got NFC, GPS and a heart rate sensor, so you can take full advantage of Google Pay and Google Fit. The screen, of course, is front and center, with minimal bezels and sleek lugs. By smartwatch standards, its footprint is extremely small, with a 40mm case, and the design is simple, stylish and elegant, though it does stick out a little bit from the wrist. My personal favourite colour has to be this silver, which is nicely complemented by the magnetic loop strap. You also have silicone and leather strap options if that's more your style. In addition to two programmable side buttons, you now get a rotating crown for scrolling through notifications and other screens in Wear OS. And yes, Wear OS is still here, including many of Skagen's own watch faces. This demo unit was actually running the older Wear OS UI, but we fully expect it to be updated to the new Wear OS interface pretty quickly, complete with the new Google Assistant and Google Fit panels. This isn't a complicated product, and that's one of the reasons I'm so excited about it. It's a sharply designed smartwatch without any unnecessary cruft, and with prices well below $300, it is a very tempting buy. The only caveat is that it's running Qualcomm's Snapdragon Wear 2100 chip right as we're expecting new silicon from the company, so potentially the hardware inside is already slightly outdated by the time it goes on sale. Nevertheless, this watch looks great, and I'm excited for the direction it signals to the rest of the Wear OS ecosystem. That's it for now. Be sure to subscribe for more from IFA 2018 here in Berlin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.